Okay, this is a video of the noises coming from my Legnum dash. It only occurs when the vent selection moves from one specific position to another. Let's listen very carefully. That's okay. There we go. Only donks when making the move from there to these two. But if I quickly go and make that selection from there, and I jump to that section, it doesn't make that noise. And if I go from here and quickly back, it doesn't make it. But if I go to there and then press it, here we go. So I don't think that's gear noise. I think it's more like the vent getting stuck as it makes the move. Diagnosis to follow.